Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Children's Physical and Emotional Health, School Health and Education Part 1. It's DLED ETT first year book. Bestseller book of Vinod Publications. It's of Government of Himachal Pradesh and it's in Hindi medium. So let's review it. It's as per the new syllabus pattern of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. So let's check out and review this book. First of all, we'll check the syllabus. Syllabus is mentioned unit wise. Unit 1, understanding health and well-being. You can check out the topics. Then unit 2, understanding children's health needs. Check out the topics. Unit 3, health of children in the context of school. These are the topics. Then unit 4, concept and importance of physical education. You can check out. Then their contents. We have to now verify the contents with the syllabus, whether it's the same or not, whether contents cover everything of the syllabus or not. For example, unit 1, meaning of health and well-being, biodramatic versus social health models, poverty inequality, social determinants, food, livelihood, location, sanitation, till access to health services. Check out with syllabus and verify it like this. Unit 1, health and well-being, biomedical versus social health models, understanding the linkages between poverty, inequality and health. Then and the last, access to health services, etc., livelihood, location. It's completely there. So definitely the content of unit 1 match the syllabus. Then unit 2, reciprocal linkage between health and education, childhood health concern, hunger, malnutrition and so on. It is still so it's still self-assessment of health. It's still self-assessment for health. Let's check out. And in the syllabus, yes, reciprocal linkage between health and education, childhood malnutrition, and it's still methods to understanding children's perception, self-assessment for health. Now we have to check unit 3. Midday meal program, objectives, components, functional of midday meal program, concepts of classroom hunger. It's still children's perception on midday meal. You can check out unit 3 of the syllabus now. See, midday meal program, measuring the health and school, issues of water sanitation, and it's still capturing children's perception of food, work, play and midday meal, etc. So it's completely there. Now we have to check the last unit. Everything is perfect. Last unit should be checked. Now let's check concept and importance of physical education. Concept, importance, development of values through physical education, development of team spirit, then development of coordination, cooperation, and it's still aerobics and team games, kho-kho, kabaddi, tug of war. Let's check in the syllabus it's there or not. Like in unit 4, physical education, concept and importance of physical education, and then development of values through physical education, and it's there till you can see games, kho-kho, kabaddi, tug of war. So it's clear that everything which was there in syllabus is totally there in contents also. There's no doubt about that. Now we have to check whether the page numbers which are mentioned in front of the contents are they right or accurate or not. For example, in page 89, whether morbidity mapping is there or not. So let's check on the page 89 and check whether morbidity mapping is there. So yes, page 89, you can check page 89, morbidity mapping is there. Let's check one more page just for the safety. Let's check on 198, kho-kho, kabaddi is there or not. So page 198, kho-kho, kabaddi is completely there. So everything is completely there, and contents are also very well, matter is also very well explained in detail with subtopics. And not only that, the topics are highlighted in both English and Hindi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. If you are comfortable with English language, you can also read this book, because the topics are highlighted in the English language also and Hindi language also. So in the back side of the books, other books of EDT first year and textbook and guest papers of Himachal Pradesh are mentioned. You can check them out and buy them also. Now the price of the books, a book is just rupees 199.50 rupees. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 on Vinod Publications, and book will be delivered to your location within just 3-4 days time. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com. You can go to Facebook, Twitter, YouTube also, and you can email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com to check out other books of Vinod Publications. Or if you want to buy this book offline at any bookstore, you can go to any bookstore nearby your location which has ETT books, and this book will be available to you at just 199.50 rupees only, which is very less and reasonable price considering the amount of material and detailing in this book. So you can definitely buy this book, and if you have any complaint regarding this book, you can go to helpline email ID and mail at help@vinodpublications.com, and they will definitely sort out your problem. So 199.50 rupees is a definitely good price and reasonable price for this book. I think you should definitely buy this book of children's physical and emotional health, school health and education at just 199.50 rupees only. And I highly recommend this book of most trusted firm of India, Vinod Publications. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.